Hi everybody, I'm Ellie from T-sportline, and today I'm actually not out of our service center in Los Angeles, California. I'm proud to share with you that I'm out in Atlanta, Georgia at our even larger service center where we just finished customizing this Model X. Now let me tell you what we did. This is a brand new Model X that came to us in the beautiful gloss black finish that is very popular amongst all Tesla owners. However, this customer wanted to achieve two things. Number one, they wanted to protect their paint. And I understand that. Keeping good care of a gloss black paint, having to wash it all the time, wax it, deal with swirl marks, it's a lot of work, and a lot of people are not up for it. Keeping a black car clean is quite the challenge. Number two, this customer wanted to protect the paint from road rash and rock chips. They take long family trips. They're gonna own this Model X for a long time. They want their Model X to look good at all times and avoid trips to the body shop. So you know what they did? They chose Xpel PPF film, the Stealth series. So they achieved two things. Number one, as you can see, this is no longer a gloss black Model X. This Model X is now actually satin black, and it looks really good, very stealth. And that's thanks to that PPF film from our friends at Xpel. Overall appearance of this Model X is something that's so much more sporty and trending. They're actually protecting the paint from all those concerns about road rash and rock chips. And that's because Xpel PPF film is designed to take the impact. This film is extra thick. This film is designed to absorb impacts and help prevent trips to the body shop, which could be very costly and timely. Now, typically, if there's damage to the film, here's what happens. The film takes the hit, and it actually has self-healing properties to it. So with the right tools and heat guns, you can actually revive the film, and it goes back like as if nothing ever happened. Now, let's just say, hypothetically, that rock chip or that impact that it took on was a little bit bigger than normal, and therefore, you know what? The film has been compromised. But typically, the paint will be saved. And that's what we're trying to achieve. Now, if the film has been compromised, then it's actually quite easy. Remove one panel and just rewrap one panel, typically done in one day, not days or weeks at a body shop. Very low cost. This film actually comes with a 10-year warranty, and that's a wonderful peace of mind. So protect your investment, protect your Tesla. Use Xpel PPF film. It's available in the very popular Stealth series, but also gloss clear, where you can maintain the original color of your Tesla. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I'd love to hear some comments below about your thoughts on applying PPF to your Tesla. What color would you do? Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. We have so many more amazing videos coming your way soon.